Hello everyone, in this video I am going to discuss about a very important matrix about multiplication. Okay, let's consider our procedure using examples. Okay, the first one is we have to solve 104 multiplied by 106. This is our first example. How to solve this example? There has a procedure. Let's consider about it. Okay, the first step is take the difference between 100 and 104. We know the answer is minus 4 and minus 6. Okay, after that add these two. Answer is minus 10. Okay, so the next step is multiply by these two. Okay, the answer is 24. Last step, take the difference between 100 and this minus 10. 110. Trust me guys, this is our answer. Okay, this is very simple tricks. Let's consider another example. We have to multiply 108 by 105. Same procedure. Take the difference. Difference is minus 8 and minus 5. Add this minus 8 and minus 5. The answer is minus 13. Okay. After that multiply minus 8 and minus 5. The answer is 40. The last step, take the difference between 100 and minus 13. 130. The answer is 11,340. Okay, let's consider another example to clear this procedure. Okay, we have to solve 112 multiplied by 109. Okay, same procedure. What is the first step? Take the difference, minus 12 minus 9. Add minus 21. Okay, so our next step, multiply. Answer is, what is the answer? 108. Okay, last step, take the difference, 121. But there has problem. What is it? We can't take three numbers in this side. Okay, this is wrong. How to correct it? 121, 108. Okay, in this case this one is at this side. The answer is this one, 12,208. Okay, this is the only rule we want to obtain. Okay, this is the procedure guys, and we solved 3 examples. I think you got it. Okay, finally I want to say you the solution is always with you. Okay, not only mathematics. Okay, it plays around you. Your task is to catch the solution. Okay guys, subscribe my channel, and thank you all of you.